Hello, my name is Lachlan Brown. I hail from Halifax, Nova Scotia, and today I'm going to be talking about what the youth want for the future of the Canadian public education system. What is the Canada that I want? A Canada where students feel safe and comfortable in their schools. A Canada where students learn about the true history of our nation. A Canada where truth and reconciliation is taught and discussed in our classrooms. We want a Canada where the curriculum is relevant to where the job market is heading. A Canada where students have access to menstrual products, toiletries, and contraceptives in their schools. We want a Canada where schools try their best to break down social barriers and accept students for who they are. A Canada where schoos are close to students and optional online courses are free and accessible. We want a culturally relevant curriculum. A Canada where the arts are valued and promoted in school. A Canada where Indigenous students have access to learning and speaking their language in their schools. We want a Canada where there is a federal curriculum for certain subjects like math and English. We want a Canada where our class sizes are small, our educators are respected, valued, and supported by the system. We want a Canada where students have a say in the way that their school is run. I believe this is all possible and we can make it into a reality. The way that we do this is for the people listening today who have power and influence in the Canadian government. I urge you to listen to the youth. We know what we want, and I think we have some pretty good ideas, so there we go.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Saskia, j'ai 16 ans, je viens de Manawan. Je vais vous présenter ceci dans ma langue qui est l'Atikamekw. Koi Saskia ni jnikazun, natoashit ngudasun ni tpunezin, Atikamekw ni darmuin, Manawan ni betutan, ne zagandet tumek kanadagi tijnagok, idinde kuwaguner tumek darmuino, agreshamuin, imtugujimun kaya l'Atikamekw. Ne gander tumek kanadagi tijnagok, aga desuka iji Kishikazu nanyok, ne gander tumek kanadagi tijnagok, kijin Negander tumek kanadagi tijnagok, aga gidje marertiganok ide erita guzuin. Negander tumek kanadagi tijnagok, Kidi duok merum idem kaji kinamatu sumok. Engo matza ne gander tumek kanadagi tijnagok, kaskinande idje warta miru iskinumadok. Iwat.